ARKROCKET 200-watt Jukebox. Remember the days you go to the diner and you see on the table and you're scrolling through the music and you play that song? This product may be right for you, for your kitchen or den or bar area. Let's open this bad boy up, give you a nice close-up look, and demonstrate how this thing works. Man, just looking at that box, oh wow, the good old days. Let's get right into it. We get an AC adapter, additional playing cards, so in case you overfill your cards, want to change the names. 3.5 TRS to TRS adapter. Audio left and right, 3.5 TRS adapter. Very importantly, the instruction booklet so you know how the machine operates. Use the control panels, change the FM station, Bluetooth operation, and more. Specially designed power plug, 6 feet long. Plugs into the side of the unit to the DC input. Also located your line out, auxiliary out, a light that's off and on switch, all your mode and control buttons, USB and SD card slot. There is protective film that you can peel off. Your speakers on the side, your buttons on the front, your card change slots underneath. On top is a door that opens up that allows you to get to the card and pull out. This stores 200 songs. It has a replica coin that please do not push onto, and it has a digital screen on top. On the back is the antenna, areas of interest that will breathe, keyholes so you can hang the unit up, and so 99 favorite tunes can be saved to the unit. If we want to name the cards and put them on, we lift the tab on top and we're able to lift out very comfortably. You're given spare in case you make mistakes or fill up. Take your time. These cards will slide in. As you can see, I'm having just a little difficulty because I need to hold the base and get in. Now, when we want to turn the machine on, these buttons, the area and this area will all light up over here by a switch. When I turn the unit on over here, this display is going to light up. It's going to be on the radio.
And when I greeted him at my doorstep,
Now, when you first turn the machine on the radio, it's going to save 18 stations. It's going to scan through. What I want to do is go to the SD card. My SD card is in. So I'm going to hit the on button, mode button, USB, and card. There are 2 songs on here. If I hit A1, A2, and then I want to hit the pause button. You notice I saved my songs up to 100 in the unit, and I've done that by hitting the program. And the program will save in order, sequential order. A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check the manual and the description for further details on how to program those songs. So what I am going to do is go hit the program 1, then it should save that song, A3. And then I should be good to go. So if I want to play the song, I could play here. and it only saved those two. It's a little tricky to do, but you get the idea. Now, I am going to go to the next mode, Bluetooth. On my phone, I simply go to my Bluetooth, I look for Jukebox, and I set up. It acknowledge. I'm going to go to YouTube, play a video.
What to do is open up the battery door. You want to pull down to the very bottom. You can see it free, and you let go, the door will open. The first thing you need to do is take your SDXC card, make sure it's a V Victor.
The Jukebox, very easy to set up. You do need to go over the instructions to get some of the songs programmed in there. You're given DIN cables, auxiliary cables, to plug in your songs and play externally. This is a great 200 watt, 100 song of the SD card and 200 songs to save on your Jukebox and play. It is an awesome unit. It replicates the old-fashioned jukeboxes, and let me tell you, you'll be very pleased with it. There are instructions on here. Push the on button, press the mode button, repeat program volume auxiliary line out in case you don't have the manual and you want to look inside on how to do things. These are replicas. They're just cosmetics for the coins. If they were real and you could put your coins in, you'll have a nice bank indeed. This is an awesome machine if you're looking for something to dress up your restaurant, your house, your wall, your den, wherever you want to have a jukebox. So I hope this product may be right for you in your old-fashioned kitchen studio. Enjoy your jukebox.